Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day everyone. I'm Edadin Rahmat Diaz. On this occasion, I will present my final project entitled Regional Tax Contribution to Original Regional Income of Government Agency 2019 until 2021. The first one has a structural formal presentation. Number 1 is background, number 2 formulation of the problems, number 3 research aims, number 4 research benefit, number 5 literature review, and the last research method. Background of the problem. Regional autonomy is one of the state policies in creating public welfare and strengthening the regional economy in order to strengthen the national economy. The era of regional autonomy, which officially came into effect in Indonesia since January 1, 2001, requires regions to be creative in achieving sources of revenue that can finance government spending and development. From various sources of regional revenue, the law on regional government as well as the law on financial balance between the central and regional government stipulates regional tax and levies as a source of regional original income origination profiting the regional itself. The granting of authority to regional government to collect regional tax and levies has resulted in the collection of various types of regional tax and levies. Regional original revenue consists of regional tax and regional levies profit of regionally owned companies, regional management result, and other regional original revenue. In order to increase accountability and flexibility in the expenditure of the regional revenue must be explored to the maximum in accordance with applicable laws and regulations, including local tax and regional levies, which have long been one of the main elements of regional original income. Formulation of the problem. Based on the background of the problem that has been described, the problem that occur can be formulated. Number 1, what is the realization rate of regional tax received in government agency in 2019 until 2021? What is the realization rate of regional original revenue in government agency in 2019 until 2021? How is the contribution of regional tax to regional original income and government agency in 2019 until 2021? What are the obstacles faced by the Department of Revenue, Financial Management and Regional Asset of Government Agency in the implementation of regional tax collection? Research purpose. The aim of the research is knowing the level of achievement of the realization of regional tax received at the Department of Revenue, Financial and Regional Asset Management Government Agency in 2019 until 2021. Knowing the level of realization of regional original revenue at the Regional Revenue and Financial Management Office of Government Agency 2019 until 2021. Knowing the contribution of regional tax to the regional original income of government agency in 2019 until 2021. Knowing the obstacles faced by the Department of Revenue, Financial Management and Regional Asset of Government Agency in the implementation of regional tax collection. Benefit of research. The benefit of the research are as follows. The result of this study or expect to contribute ideas for local government in making policies in order to run a business to increase regional original income from the tax sector. It is expected to be a balanced material in making decisions and policies in the future, adding reference and information to provide an overview for readers and students, especially students majoring in accounting at the Smart State Polytechnic in preparing the final project. Research is expected to add and develop insight, information, talk, and knowledge to other interested parties. Literature review. Regional original income obtained by the region from search within its own territory, which is collected based on regional regulation in accordance with applicable laws and regulations. Search of local original income. The regional original income group is divided into 4 types of income. Local tax, regional levies, the result of regionally owned companies, and the result of the management of regional assets are separate. Other legitimate regional original income. Local tax contribution. The definition of local tax according to Siahan is a mandatory contribution made by the region to an individual or entity without a balance reward, which can be imposed based on applicable laws and regulations, which is used to finance the administration of local government. Regional tax contribution to regional original income. The contribution of each type of local tax to regional original income is the ratio between certain types of tax and the total regional original income in a given year, and the ratio between the total amount of regional tax to the total regional original income in question. This ratio identifies the size of the role of a type of local tax and regional original income. The higher the ratio of percent means the greater the contribution of the tax to regional original income. Data classification. Data according to the source is divided into two data. By data source, according to the data source is divided into two kinds and follow. Primary data. According to Sunyoto, primary data is original data collected by the researcher himself to answer his research problem specifically. The primary data used in this research is data from the author interview. Secondary data. Secondary data sources are sources that do not directly provide that to data collector. For example, to other people of their document. The secondary data used in this final project is evidence of criminal agency 2019 until 2021. The research. Data by nature. According to its nature, the data is divided into two, namely quantitative and quantitative. Quantitative data. Quantitative data taken in this study, namely research using data in the form of number by calculating the ratio of the effectiveness of regional tax and the ratio of the effectiveness of regional original income, then calculating the contribution of regional tax to regional original income in 2019 until 2021. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is subjective or not data derived from calculation. The qualitative data used in this study is data regarding the profile of the organizational structure of the regional revenue and financial management office of government agency, which is located at Street Pahlawan, number 133, Kebumen, Central Java. Method of collecting data. The technique used in this research are as follows. Interview. The interview method is a data collection technique whose implementation can be carried out directly with interviews, where the author asks questions that are in accordance with the required data, namely regarding the acceptance of regional tax and regional original revenue for 2019 until 2021 at the Office of Financial Management and Revenue, Regional Asset of Kebumen Regency. Documentation method. The documentation method is a data collection technique to see the original data clearly because it is in accordance with the existing archive with the company. This method uses the collect data in the form of regional original revenue data for Kebumen Regency for 2019 until 2021. Data on the realization of regional tax receipt for the 2019 until 2021 period. Data analysis method. The data analysis technique used in this study is quantitative descriptive analysis, which is the analysis used to determine the effective ratio of regional original income, which is then used to calculate how much regional tax contribution to regional original income during 2019 until 2021. Analysis of the data used consists of calculating of the effective of regional tax and regional original income, calculating how much regional tax contribution to regional original income during 2019 until 2021. Writing method. The writing method used in this financial project is as follows. Method description. This method is used to describe the general description of the regional financial and asset management revenue service of government agency, which includes history, vision and mission, maintenance and function and organization structure. Explanation method. This method is used to present an analysis of the calculating of how much regional tax contribution to regional original income during the years 2019 until 2021. That is the result of my presentation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.